Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Tellychucker's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos. The world has come to a standstill in the wake of coronavirus pandemic. However, this has not affected Tellychucker's efficiency of providing exclusive updates about the showbiz industry. With a sudden boom in the digital world, many people have got the chance to showcase their talents on various social media platforms. Some received immense popularity from a platform named TikTok, and one such social media influencer is none other than Samiksha Sood, who's also a part of Teen Tigada. Well, some people also say that every video that Samiksha creates goes viral. Well, she has been entertaining the audience since a lot of time and has got extremely popular with a fan base of 23 million plus on TikTok. Well, with popularity comes a great responsibility as well, and one needs to keep in mind minute details while creating content so that no section of the society gets offended. Well, something unfortunate happened with Samiksha recently when her video was misinterpreted by many out there. Apparently, the actress posted a video speaking about men disrespecting women. The video didn't go down well with men, and her male followers who thought she was targeting the entire male gender, however, got offended. Samiksha was only addressing the video to a section of men who are responsible for disrespecting women and not targeting all of the men out there. In no time, Samiksha realized that her video was getting misinterpreted by her fans and followers, and hence she deleted the video itself. Well, not only that, Samiksha also went ahead and apologized for the same, but then it seems like that the damage had already been done. Well, fans had started trolling her, they had started blocking her account. Not only that, they had started sending her death threats, and also a lot many hate messages were being sent to Samiksha in her personal inbox, mails, TikTok messages, Instagram DMs, and a lot more. Well, she was flooded with negative feedback, blocking of account, unfollowing her account, and also the fan base getting a lot much affected. On the same note, BFFs Vishal Pandey and Bhavan Bhanushali, who are also a part of the Teen Tigada gang along with Samiksha Sood, came ahead and supported their friend Samiksha and requested the trollers to stop targeting her. Well, they also tried telling the trollers that her viewpoint was not to target all the men out there, but she was only and only talking about a section of men out there. And they also pinpointed that how Samiksha has been getting a lot many death threats, and also pinpointed that Samiksha is somebody who has always and always come ahead and has supported the budding artist on TikTok. Take a look at the appeal that Vishal and Bhavan had said in favor of Samiksha.
हाय गाइस, नमस्ते। आई होप आप लोग सेफ और अपने घर पर हैं। सो गाइस, मैं देख रहा हूँ 2 दिन से समीक्षा को लेकर काफी नेगेटिव चीजें चल रही है। टिकटॉक पे कोई ड्यूएट बना के अनफॉलो कर रहा है, ब्लॉक कर रहा है, कुछ भी बोल रहा है। तो गाइस, मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगा, आप लोगों ने सारे बॉयज को बोलूंगा मैं, आप लोगों ने क्या गौर से देखा कि उसने क्या कभी उसने बोला है कि सारे लड़के ऐसे होते हैं? नहीं, उसने बोला जो लड़के ऐसा बोलते हैं वो। तो गाइस, वाकई ऐसे कुछ लड़के होते हैं जो सच्ची डिसरिस्पेक्ट करते हैं लड़के को, और वही लड़के आज जिसकी वो बात कर रही थी, आज वही लड़के उसको गंदे गंदे डीएम्स कर रहे हैं। इतने गंदे डीएम्स मैं आपको बोल नहीं सकता, मेल पे डेथ थ्रेट्स तक दे रहा है उसको। अगर आप लोग को याद हो तो समीक्षा एक वो क्रिएटर है, पॉपुलर क्रिएटर, जिसने सबसे ज्यादा टिकटॉक पे डुएट किए हैं डिजर्विंग क्रिएटर्स के साथ, उनको आगे ले जाने के लिए। तो ऐसा कैसे कर सकती है गाइस? वो सबको रिस्पेक्ट करती है। इनफैक्ट हम 2 लड़के हैं उसके ग्रुप में, हमको सबसे ज्यादा रिस्पेक्ट करती है, सारे लड़कों को रिस्पेक्ट करती है। तो फिर भी कहीं सारे लड़कों को बुरा लगा तो उसने सॉरी बोल के वीडियो डिलीट कर दी। मैं भी सॉरी बोल रहा हूँ उसके बिहाफ पे, बट प्लीज गाइस स्टॉप दिस हेट एंड टीन तिगाड़ा फैम, प्लीज इट्स नाउ टाइम टू सपोर्ट हर। बाय।
हाय गाइस, व्हाट्स अप गाइस। 2 दिन से हमारी समीक्षा के साथ बहुत बुरा हो रहा है। उसे लोग डीएम्स में, मेल्स में गंदे गंदे कमेंट्स कर रहे हैं, मारने की धमकियां दे रहे हैं। गाइस, उस समीक्षा को जिसने आज तक सबसे ज्यादा क्रिएटर्स की हेल्प की है, सबसे ज्यादा क्रिएटर्स को मदद किया है पॉपुलर होने में, उसने कभी सारे लड़कों को ऐसा नहीं बोला था। उसने एक कैटेगरी है लड़कों की, उनको ऐसा बोला था। एक स्पेसिफिक कैटेगरी जो लड़कियों की इज्जत नहीं करते, उनके बारे में बुरा बोलते हैं, उनको ऐसा बोला था। और जिसके बारे में तो वो माफी भी मांग चुकी है, और वो लड़कों ने साबित कर दिया कि वो वैसे हैं, क्योंकि वो मारने की धमकियां दे रहे हैं उसे। मुझे बस इतना पता है कि वो लड़कों की बहुत इज्जत करती है, और उसने बहुत लोगों को आज तक मदद की है। तो हमारी बारी है, जब उसे मदद की जरूरत है तो सब एक साथ आते हैं और समीक्षा को सपोर्ट करते हैं। टेक केयर।
Well, not only that, after the video got viral and after Samiksha removed the video, Samiksha also came ahead and apologized to all her fans, and also kept the other side of the story wherein she kept trying to explain them that no offense was meant to give in to all the men out there. She was only and only talking about that section of men who believe in disrespecting women. Well, she also went ahead and confessed that according to her, such content does not suit her. and hence she decided that she's not gonna make any content on such notion. Well, it seems like that the matter has gone completely out of hand and has also affected Samiksha's fan base. Well, overnight Samiksha has lost a huge number of fan following. Well, the fan base that was 23 million plus has now come down to 22.4 million. Well, what is your viewpoint upon Samiksha's controversy and also how the fans and trollers have gone out and out on her and have been trolling her and also have been sending her death threats? Do you think that this is the correct way to approach a problem and situation? Do drop in your comments in the section below. Until then, be home, stay safe and keep following telechucker.com.